In the Saxon 6th century, Birmingham was just one small settlement in thick forest, the home of the tribing of a leader called Birm or Beorma. Geography played a major role in the transformation of Birmingham from a hamlet worth 20 shillings in 1086 into Britain's center of manufacturing in the 20th century, humble beginnings to beating heart of industrial revolution. Now England's second-largest city, Birmingham started life as a small Saxon settlement before developing into a market town in the 12th century. Back then, Birmingham was home to just 1,500 residents. During the 1700s, Birmingham's population is said to have grown from 11,000 to 73,000 before the town began to expand. Balsall Heath, Castle Bromwich, Erdington, Harborne, Handsworth, Kings Norton, and Perry Bar were among the areas to fall within the new Birmingham boundaries as it gained city status in 1889. The number of people living in Birmingham now stands at around 1.2 million, making it the biggest city outside of London. As its population swelled, the industries flourished as Birmingham became known as the City of 1,000 Trades and the engine room of the UK. It played a major role in the Industrial Revolution, leading the way in manufacturing thanks to its bustling factories and workshops. Ammunition, guns, metalware, tools, and watches were among an array of products that were produced in Birmingham. The Lunar Society of Birmingham was formed in 1765, which was a center for industrialists and intellectuals including Matthew Boulton and James Watt. In 1766, Boulton opened the Soho Manufactory, which pioneered the idea of mass production and became one of the largest manufactories in Europe. Able to accommodate up to 1,000 workers, the Soho Manufactory produced buttons, buckles, watch chains, and medals. Boulton then teamed up with Watt in 1795 to create the Soho Foundry in Smethwick, which was one of the most advanced factories of its time. They produced the Boulton and Watt steam engine, which helped to drive the Industrial Revolution and put Birmingham on the map as a city of innovation.